you know what type of notarization to use if there's no notarial block on the paper? Let's talk about it. There are 3 types of notarization in Michigan: acknowledgement, jurat, and witness. So let's talk about an acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means the signer says they signed it. A jurat means you're swearing them in under oath. They're going to take an oath. There is a whole way that has to be legally. We'll talk about that in another video. And then there's witnessing, where the notary says, I saw you sign it. Okay, let's talk about the acknowledgement. The acknowledgement can be signed prior to the signer arriving to you. So if they're at home, they're filling out the paperwork, they sign it, and then they realize there's a notarial block, and they call you in a panic, it's okay. You want to make sure that that is that person, though. That's where a journal comes in handy, because they're going to sign that journal and you're going to match it to their driver's license and match it to what they signed. Best case scenario. Worst case scenario, you ask them to sign it again. You ask if they can print a clean copy. If not, it's okay. They have to prove to you, you have to be satisfied that it's them. Now we have the jurat. It will be in there somehow that will indicate that you need to issue an oath. They read, they sign, you issue the oath, you sign, you stamp, you date, fill out the notarial block. Now witnessing is the other one. And if you're getting your education from other states, not all states have this third one. So you'll hear there's only acknowledgement and jurat, and that's wrong. A witnessing is where you saw them sign it, and so you can sign, stamp, date. There's not even a notarial block that's needed for that. Now, how do you know what to use? If there is a notarial block, just use that, what's there. If there isn't one, then you have to explain the 3 types of notarizations and you have to choose. There's a couple different ways you can attach an acknowledgement and a jurat. If there's room for witnessing, you can just sign, stamp, date right on there. If there's room to put a stamp, I have them. This is an acknowledgement stamp and this is a jurat stamp. We have them both available on our website. If there's room on the paper to stamp these, you stamp one or the other, and your notary stamp. This doesn't take the place of it. Both of them have a place for the notary to sign, so you don't get afraid that you might forget to sign it. So you're going to stamp that, fill it in, use your stamp, fill that in, and you're good to go. Or if there isn't enough room, you can use a loose certificate. There's one for acknowledgement, one for jurat. You'll fill it out completely. Make sure to put on there, make a note of what it's attached to so that they can't take it and put it with something else, and then attach it. Don't let them leave with it not attached to anything. This needs to be stapled, so if you don't have a stapler in your notary bag, you need to get one. When somebody brings you a paper that doesn't have a notarial act on it, it is against the law for you to decide what type of notarial act goes there. So you have to explain to them the 3 types and let them choose. You have to say acknowledgement, jurat, or witnessing. Here's what I say. Do you want to acknowledge that you signed this? Do you want me to swear you in? Or do you want me to just witness it saying that I saw you sign it? Those are the 3 types. They have to choose. If you choose, it's the unauthorized practice of law. I hope that helps.